Eggs, please raise the eggs. Where is the eggs? Please.
Congratulations, you're the winner if you're holding the number 8 egg.
Number 8 egg. Where is the number 8? She is the winner because she is
Ilang game ka pa?
5 game na to. 3 games pa.
Where are the eggs? Give me the eggs. That's mine. Hala nyo, nag-aagaw
So,
pa kayo sa inyo. Wala sa inyo. Sino yung ibang egg?
Please, pakipakilip lang po. Medyo may DTI representative.
Chris, pahawak. Ay, ate, pahawak nga ng live. Tapos kung na, may pipingin po, picture ang ko yung food doon.
Next.
Next one.
Nagdadad yan ng game.
Ang game?
Yung phone na lang niya,
You will finish all the game?
Kaya pipicture niyo ko yung food nandun nung nakain.
No. The gift is there. Special. Miss Lorena, please give the gift. Yeah, this is the basket or the back of the box. Jawida.
Mahiwagang basket.
The lucky one. Yes, we need your photo.
Ricky! Yung mga umatag last year na merong dala na souvenir last year.
Photo with the... Yes, you are the winner, so we need a photo.
Picture lang.
Okay, go next.
Ito, yung last year. Ate, picture lang.
Wala, bawal yung picture.
Ayan, yung bigay mo sa akin yung last year.
Sa akin ko galing.
Opo.
Okay kami.
Wow, may DTI representative with instruction.
Yung mga umatag ng birthday ko last year.
Oo.
Isa to sana pamigay ko yan.
How we have this one? She never invite. So wow.
Okay, right.
Don't ask anything from last year.
Picture taking lang baba tayo.
Ano yung next na game?
Nagpwede pang ng bagyo.
Ang next game natin.
Teka. Ako magpipicture.
Use a person with chopstick, with golden coin. Chopstick and golden coin.
Oy, picture naman muna kayo.
Chopsticks. Who knows how to use chopsticks?
Picture.
Pwede ko pa ano yun.
Oh.
Marunong ako patutusukin ko yung pagkain.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Oh.
Chris, sali ka na sa game. Marunong mag-
Meron ng chopstick. Anong susunod pa?
You know how to use chopstick?
Stick, chopstick.
You know how to use chopstick?
Start now. This person.
I know how to use it for the hair.
Hala, yung coin ng chopstick na.
Oh, chopstick.
Chopstick, you need to chop the stick.
You need to chop the stick.
You need to chop the stick. Yung timer.
Ilan pang nilalagay dyan?
Sige, may timer eh. Paramihan ang malalagay.
Isa lang ba? Isang table, isa?
Okay, wait. Ano na?
Dana is here. You come in. Ate, tayo ka muna.
Wait,
Come in.
timer.
No, come in.
Only.
1 minute only.
1 minute only, yeah? So you need to chop in the stick and you put in the cup.
Okay.
Ready? Set.
Chopstick, use the chopstick.
Dana first. One by one.
1, 2, 3, go. 1 minute only, yeah?
Go, Dana.
Go, Dana. Go, Dana.
Ano ba yan?
Go, Dana. Go, Dana. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Go, Dana. 48 seconds.
Uy.
Uy.
Uy. Uy, 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 uy. Uy. 33 seconds. So, next is 36 seconds. 33.
33.
No, I think.
Just wait, huh?
How you want to use it? It's
Yeah,
okay. Just use it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, expert. Woohoo!
Whoop, whoop. Go, Jawida.
Go, Joey, then go. Go, Joey, then
Go. Woo!
One more.
Latte.
Look.
Up. 34 seconds. 33.
Yeah. Yes! Nice.
Basta bro, barwe.
22 seconds lang.
Hindi, namalik ka na.
She forgot to put the timer.
No, it's because the left only timer, it's, I count a 1 minute timer. Supposed to be na...
Ilan minutes?
33 din, 27 eh.
27? 33.
27 minus 1...
33. Oh, time! Again. Oh, no.
Hindi yun na wala ang live na.
Yan na. Oh, wait lang. Timer, may timer. Wait, timer start.
Start, go!
Go. Woohoo! Up.
Oh, paano?
Kaya ko na yun.
Kasi siya, sa bilog.
Woohoo! Oh, expert.
Flat kasi.
23 seconds, 25. 26 seconds. Almost. Fast. 34 seconds.
34 both of them winner.
34 seconds. Only 1 minute.
34.
I 1 second only.
Hindi, dalawa sila. Both of them
34 seconds and 33 both.
Ano lang ba?
8 person, di ba? Okay.
Timer,
Start.
start.
Okay.
Now. Let's go home.
Let's go
There
home.
is a winner.
This is unfair.
She practiced for 6 months. Wala.
Why are you top 6? I work in Singapore, in Thailand, in Malaysia. Long time ago.
How do you?
That's why there's a chapter.
The winner is 2.
So there is 2 seconds.
Dalawa sila, Dana.
Yeah, you need the
Yes, both of
tiebreaker.
your winner.
Both our winner?
Tiebreaker ba?
Okay. No need tiebreaker. No need tiebreaker. It's breaker only. Another one. For your hako challenge, no problem.
Your second time winner.
Thank you.
So the next game is
Skipping rope.
Patagalan. This is your side. Ilan kayo dyan? 4? 4. Ikaw 4. Sumali ka dito, 4.
Ano ba yan? Tayo daw kayo. Ay, paano itong live? Ay, ano nung ano yan? Ito live. Lorena, picture daw kayo.
Picture lang sila, tas na.
Mag-picture na lang. Lahat. Gusto mo?
Ha?
Lahat na?
Didip kami muna.
Hindi kayo.
Dito kayo, dito kayo.
Nakaka-hurt na. Last year, wala kayong ginawang alis.
Kaya ako nakahawa.
Tara guys.
Bangga ako ng
Ito yung mga magagaling na badminton player. Badminton player. Si Red.
Ay, kayo pala? 1, 2, 3. Wait lang ha. Mga 100,000 yen.
Ay, magkakagaling po kayo?
Mga ng LQ.
Kami ako kaya nabet eh.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. May naman kasi. Ano, may nagagalit na doon sa kapit. Kaya nga.
Hayaan siyang magalit.
Sa akin, pera lang si Dana.
Ano daw?
And next, sige po, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for coming.
Pero, alcohol naman. Bye guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ate. Asan na?
Eto na.
Last na to. July, saan mo ka? Apat na.
Aalis ka? Sandali na.
How about others also? How about the other? It's only 2 groups? Only 2? Inside, yeah. So,
Sino na?
Sino? Kasi sana.
the who?
Ano ba lang gagawin, Miss?
Ikaw rin
Hindi ko na lang.
You will put inside your, what do you think it can fit?
Papasok ito ba ito?
You will, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. The length. So you will put inside your, okay yung 4. Oh, yeah, 4. No, it's okay, it's okay. You can sit.
Abot dyan, tignan mo.
So 4. So you need to put inside your shirt.
Apat kayo lahat pa na.
Okay na?
Dalawa lang kayo magalang.
Wait.
Okay na ba?
Pinapasok mo agad dyan. Kasi nilig.
Nakalive na to?
Okay.
Dalawa ba?
Okay.
Kasama kami yung dulo.
Hindi dapat
Sige na, one yung address. Game na?
Ready? Set, go!
go.
Isa lang. Isa lang.
Dalawa. Dali.
Tinatanong ko
Two
siya.
hands.
Kailangan.
Wait. Both of you pay.
Hindi na ako pwede kasali.
They are very tactical, the other side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! You fold, you need to fold your, yeah, they have good tactics in the other side. It's only, okay, more, go. Yeah, winner! They win already. Yeah, we know. It's okay. So they are the winner from the, so you know, get your prize. You four. Better luck next year.
Ang bagal mo, bro.
Nice. The rope is stranded somewhere for the ladies. Stranded.
Wala na eh. Gusto yung pag-shoot lang.
Oh my gosh, bring it all. Yeah, bring it all. Bring it all.
July everywhere is just only winning. July comes to win. Okay?
Apat. May apat pa dito.
Isa mo pa natin. Wala ka na pagbibigyan niya, dito na lang yung
So there is again another.
Pusin natin lahat ng game.
Ayan pa, may game pa.
Ito, madaling lang ito ah. Kukuha ng card, titignan tapos gagawin ko.
Yeah, you need to assemble what you see in the card.
Okay?
So, 4. So what you see in the card, that you will assemble. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Hindi, may color eh.
O, pass ka.
So pass. Next.
Sa memory ka. Tayo ng aging to.
There is 3 also cups there, so you can 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bright colors, light colors, and right. I think that's what I see. Yeah, you are correct. Mali. Yung isa. Bright color. Memory gap. Okay. Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tama, tama. Yeah. She is right. How about the other table? Maybe they want to play.
Ikaw next, ikaw next.
The other table also there. Maybe they want it to play.
What to do with
4 players, right? Or
Mamaya pa siya.
Ay, Bobby bilang!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala na. Finish na. Better luck next time. There to the other side. Go to.
You need to try the one in the picture.
Yes, you need to memorize and arrange. You need to select which card. You will see only for within 10 seconds. Memory. You need to have sharp memory. You flip the card. No, the other side. Other side. Okay.
You need to memorize now. 10, 9, 8,
10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You need to return the card. No, it's not so, Mr. Al. Where is the Miss Lauren? Can we get the card, please?
It's your turn!
It's your turn to shine.
Your turn!
No, she did not. Yeah.
Sign of aging.
Thank you ah.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Three layers. 2 layers. Row. The blue you remove. Memory dump. Memory dump also.
Oh my God. It's a memory card also.
Next.
Okay.
Balat. It's the mistake of Corona now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait lang.
binigay ko sa inyo. What happened?
Oh, wow, thank you.
Dana.
Yung pinakano siya. What happened? It's not removed, no? What happened? Back up.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Thank you.
Ay, open doon siya. Back up. Give it to her. I need on one pocket memory. Bye, Sir Lord.
Miss Ren.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, next. Again.
Have a seat here. Come here. Have a seat with them. And have food with them.
What is the card?
Correct.
Ano, kanini?
You have the card? Yes.
Count again.
Count again. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Your bag is full now.
She's correct.
Yeah, she's full. Congratulations.
Mashallah, good memory. Ikaw na raw, July. It's your turn.
July again.
Oh my God.
Yes, July, go. We need the prize.
Please, only 3. Oh my God. 10, 9, 8, kabila. 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Two layer na.
Jen? Can I say again? No!
No!
I forgot! Wait, orange, pink.
It's a 2-layer only.
Yeah. Ah, you remove this one.
No, it's a 2-layer only. Yeah. So this one. It's supposed to be this one. Purple.
That's not
No, that's pink.
No, it's purple.
It's purple.
It's purple. This
Because
is
this is only 2-layer. It's 2-layer only. There is no 3-layer.
so
Another who wants to play again. How about visitors there? Okay, select one card.
Di ba yung sa bibig natin?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And layer.
Correct.
I believe.
2-layer. No, we need to prove that we have still memory, not gap. No, this one? Are you sure? Memory gap. Memory gap. Memory gap. Try your memory.
Now she has a good collection. I have a very good collection.
For what?
My hand is filling up.
Balik